All right, Mike. So I think it's time for the Poolside Perspectives word of the day. And let's go ahead and use EVO as our word
E
of the day.
EVO, I'm familiar with Devo. That was a band, or a, church, where everybody sits around and sings. Those so what's an EVO?
Where you could whip it good.
Well, yeah, that's that Devo group. Yeah.
Yeah, that is true. That's the Devo group. And yeah, EVO. So explain to people what an EVO is.
Well, an EVO is a grill on steroids? I mean, I don't know. It's an awesome grill, and it's big and it's round. Most griddles like your Blackstone is, a rectangular type situation, but this is a round griddle. It's 36 inches across, and it is probably one of the most popular uh, features that's asked to be put in an outdoor kitchen. So Evo's the brand, and it's spelled EVO.
And around the
So
perimeter of that circle is a oil and drip area. So everything rolls off that because it has this little, as I recall, it has a little bit of a camber to it from the center of it. So stuff, oil, grease, will roll off of it. And then you've got a grease trap around the outside of it, unless I'm understanding it the wrong way.
No, that's how it's set up, and the other thing is you don't put it in a standard cabinet. It actually, uh, hangs out, cantilevers out past your, typical counter, so that's how it's built mostly, although some people will actually do a curved portion of the counter underneath it, but it's a really, uh cool feature because you can cook, bacon and eggs and pancakes and, all of the things you want to griddle. And then you can cook hamburgers and, on it. And then, you can come in and, do, hibachi style, cooking on it as well. So it's a very popular feature. So awesome word, awesome feature. I'm ready to go eat now.
I
So
see
I
an Evo in my future.
Yes, I think it will be probably, uh, Evos and, lighting in kitchens are probably the 2 most popular things we're gonna see more of, I think, this year, but there might be more things, I don't know. It's amazing, they've taken almost everything you can think of inside the house outside, uh, so we you can have a lot of fun.
I will get pictures of the Evo on the website.